So sometimes in JavaScript, you want to track how long something took, and maybe you can run some additional code if a request to the backend maybe took longer than you thought it would, and maybe show an error to the user if the request is taking too long. In our case, we have a little script here written with Node, and I'm importing a performance module from perf_hooks, and then I'm also importing fetch from a Node fetch library. But both of these things should exist on the front end. And I have a function here that does request to Google. So let's say we want to track to see how long it took to do that request. What I can actually do is call a method called performance.now, and I'm going to track that in a variable. And then I'm also going to run that same code after we do the fetch request to the backend. And then we can just go ahead and console log the difference of those, or do some type of if statement to say if the difference between after and then took longer than 200, then we should probably show a warning message to the user that something is going wrong in the system. So now after running this code, you'll see it prints out 365 milliseconds, and we can actually do something with that number however we want in our JavaScript code.